The vehicle's computers show the diagnostic trouble code P0018 when there is an out-of-time condition between the engine's crankshaft and camshaft rotating assemblies. The independent tone rings mounted to the ends of the crank and cam respectively produce magnetic pulses that are read by the crankshaft and camshaft position sensors of an engine. The ECM or PCM of a vehicle tabulates these pulses, enabling an accurate representation of engine timing to be produced. Timing correctly is crucial for safe and efficient engine operation. An out-of-time engine will not only operate at less than optimal efficiency, but it also increases the chance of interference between the piston and the valve. This kind of interruption can seriously harm the internal engine. As a result, any engine problems that are caused by timing should be treated seriously. The ECM or PCM of the affected vehicle has determined that the feedback signals from an engine's crankshaft or camshaft position sensors are erratic and do not correlate as expected in the case of DTC P0018. This might be a sign of a few deeper problems, some of which are more serious than others. It should be noted that numerous VVT-equipped engines develop faults of this kind when underlying variable valve timing problems exist. Therefore, before assuming that a sensor or base timing-related issue is present, complete troubleshooting of the VVT system should be performed on such engine. Symptoms. There are numerous secondary symptoms that frequently accompany the diagnostic fault code P18, some of which are frequently more severe than others. A prompt diagnosis can be made by first recognizing these symptoms. Several of the most typical signs and symptoms linked to this DTC are listed below. Check engine light is on, irregular idle, no start scenario, reduced engine performance, sporadic stalling. Causes. P18 is a diagnostic fault code that can be brought on by a variety of underlying problems of varying complexity. Those who are familiar with the possible causes of this fault frequently demonstrate greater skill in carrying out a prompt diagnosis and repair. The following are a few of the most typical DTC P18 potential cases. Jump timing, stretched timing chain or belt, worn-out belt tensioner or timing chain, damaged crankshaft or camshaft tone ring, compromised sensors wiring, faulty crankshaft or cam sensors, VVT system malfunction. How to fix code P18. The steps listed below can be used to help identify and fix the underlying cause of the P0018 diagnostic fault code in your car. Before attempting any do-it-yourself repairs, as always, refer to your vehicle's factory service manual for model-specific repair instructions. Check for additional DTCs. Use your OBD2 scan tool to see if there are any additional diagnostic trouble codes before starting the diagnostic procedure. Before continuing, any such codes should be accurately diagnosed. Inspect cam and crank sensor. Start the diagnostic procedure by carefully looking for any signs of damage on the vehicle's camshaft and crankshaft sensors, as well as the corresponding wiring connector. Check engine oil level. If the engine in your car has variable valve timing, it's crucial to make sure the oil is the right viscosity and is completely topped off. One of the most frequent causes of this problem in VVT engines is the use of improper engine oil for lubrication. View live signals. Refer to the live streaming data from the crankshaft and camshaft position sensors if an obvious point of failure has not yet been identified. An OBD2 scan tool of a high caliber can be used for this. When graphing the signals from either circuit, any irregularities would be a sign that the corresponding sensor or related circuit had failed. Check VVT system. If the engine in your car has variable valve timing, you should now perform additional VVT system troubleshooting according to the manufacturer's instructions. Check engine timing. You must check your engine's timing chain or belt and all related guides if the engine in your car lacks VVT or if this system has passed satisfactory testing. This assembly's excessive play could cause top or bottom end timing variation, which would seriously harm the engine. Components that are excessively worn need to be replaced right away. Hope the information was helpful for you. If so, please press the like button and subscribe to the channel.